Bojiter Lighthouse, also known as Burgos Lighthouse, is a cultural heritage structure in Burgos, Ilocos Norte, that was established during the Spanish colonial period in the Philippines. The 66-foot-tall, 20 m, octagonal stone tower, the most prominent structure in the vicinity, can be seen from as far away as Panoorin town in the south and Bangui on the east on a clear day. Contrary to popular belief, it is not the highest elevated nor tallest lighthouse in the Philippines but the highest elevated still original and active Spanish-era lighthouse in the country. The lighthouse was first lit on March 30, 1892, and is set high on Vijaya Dinagparshan Hill overlooking the scenic Cape Bojiter where early galleons used to sail by. After over 100 years, it still functions and serves ships that enter the Philippine archipelago from the north and guide them safely away from the rocky coast of the town.